In today's video, I'm revealing the ultimate collection of camping gadgets that will make your trips smoother, more organized, and a whole lot more comfortable. Whether you're looking to beat the heat, stay organized, or make your campsite feel like home, these must-have tools have you covered. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever camped without them. Whether it's groceries, camping gear, or just everyday essentials, the Fordham Trunk Organizer is here to bring order to the chaos. With a sturdy box design reinforced by rigid base plates, it provides solid support for all your gear. It's got up to 3 compartments and multiple side pockets, so you'll have a place for everything. Plus, no more shifting or sliding around. Thanks to non-slip strips and adjustable straps, this organizer stays put even on the bumpiest rides. The removable lid adds an extra layer of security, keeping your valuables hidden from view. And when you don't need the full organizer, it collapses down to just one compartment, perfect for smaller loads. Move it easily between the front, back, or center of your car. From groceries to camping gear, the Fordham Trunk Organizer makes life on the road simple and clutter-free. And with a 1-year warranty, you've got peace of mind with every trip. Whether you're hiking deep in the wilderness or just want clean water on the go, this water bottle is a game changer. It doesn't just store water, it purifies it. Stage 1 of its filtration system uses a hollow fiber membrane that removes 99.99% of bacteria, like E. coli, and protozoa such as Giardia. No need to worry about microplastics either, this filter handles them too. And it's not just about safety. Stage 2 uses an ion exchange filter to reduce chlorine and lead, making your water taste cleaner and fresher, even removing bad odors. Perfect for when you're filling up from less than ideal sources. Built to last, this bottle has a powder coat finish that can handle the roughest trips. And with its vacuum insulation, your water stays cold while you stay hydrated. Plus, it's totally leak-proof when closed and spill-proof when open, so no more messy bags or lost water. With 2 stages of filtration, durability, and insulation, this water bottle makes sure you're never stuck with unsafe or bad-tasting water. Stay prepared, stay hydrated wherever you are. Ever come back to your car after it's been baking under the sun, only to be greeted by stifling heat and bad odors? We've all been there, but here's a simple fix: the car roof sunshade net. With a 10-second install, just unfold, cover, and you're done. Its magnetic stripes hold it securely in place, and it's just as easy to remove when you're ready to go. Want fresh air while you're camping overnight or driving but hate bugs? This breathable mesh gives you UV protection while keeping bugs out, so you can enjoy the cool breeze without any of the hassle. And when you're not using it, fold it back into the included storage bag. Lightweight, compact, and always ready for your next drive. Looking for a tool that's small but mighty? Meet the compact hatchet that's ready for anything, whether you're camping, hiking, or working on a job site. The 3.5-inch corrosion-resistant steel blade isn't just sharp, it's designed with a tall grind, giving you superior cutting power. That means fewer swings and more results, even on tough tasks like cutting wood for your campfire. Ever dealt with tools that feel awkward or unsafe? Not here. This hatchet features a rubberized handle with finger grooves and choke-up ergonomics, giving you full control. Whether you're splitting kindling or making precise cuts, the grip makes all the difference. It's not just about performance, it's about convenience too. The mountable sheath easily clips to your pack or belt, so your hatchet is always within reach. Plus, at just under 21 ounces, it won't weigh you down. From camping trips to your workbench, this hatchet is more than a tool, it's a survival essential, built to last. The Gerber guarantee ensures it stands the test of time. Tired of uncomfortable camping nights on hard, uneven ground? Let me introduce you to the game changer: this ultralight, portable sleeping cot. Made with aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum alloy, this cot is 67% stronger and 75% lighter than most. And with 5 heavy-duty legs, it's built to hold up to 330 pounds without sagging, keeping you sturdy and flat all night. It weighs just 4.8 lbs and folds down to the size of a water bottle, perfect for your next hiking or camping adventure. No more hauling around bulky gear. Sleeping outdoors is finally comfortable with its breathable, tear-resistant Oxford fabric that keeps moisture and cold away, so you can sleep peacefully, and it sets up in just 60 seconds. No more struggling with complicated setups after a long hike. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or just chilling at the beach, this cot is your perfect lightweight travel companion. Ever lose veggies through the grill grates or struggle to keep food evenly cooked? This 360-degree rolling grill basket is made from food-grade stainless steel, strong, durable, and large enough to hold plenty of food. No more constant flipping or lost food. With its easy 360-degree rolling design, your food gets perfectly grilled every time. Gas, electric, or charcoal, it works on all types. Be careful, though it gets hot. Use heat-resistant gloves or wait for it to cool before handling. Why bring multiple gadgets to your camping trip when you can have it all in one? This portable fan isn't just a fan, it's also a camping light and even an aroma diffuser. With its built-in hook, you can hang it on your tent, a tree branch, or even in your car. The versatility is unmatched, making it the perfect companion for camping or even to keep your home office cool. Set with 3 speeds and 360-degree manual rotation, this fan efficiently circulates air to keep you comfortable. Plus, with whisper-quiet operation, you'll enjoy the cool breeze without any annoying noise. And when the sun goes down, the 12 bright LEDs with 3 brightness settings give you the perfect amount of light for reading, setting up camp, or just relaxing. Powered by a built-in 5000 mAh battery, this fan can last anywhere from 5.5 to 35 hours depending on the speed, and the light can last up to 240 hours. Plus, you can recharge it via USB using a power bank or car charger, perfect for both indoors and outdoors. The compact, lightweight, and multifunctional, this portable fan saves space in your backpack by replacing separate gadgets. Starting a fire in windy or damp conditions can be a nightmare. But what if you had a tool that makes it easy? This rugged fire-starting gadget is designed with a no-roll triangular shape and non-slip grip, making it easy to handle even in tough conditions. Its impeller-style fan provides optimal airflow right where you need it, boosting your fire without blowing ash everywhere. Powered by AA batteries, you'll get up to 181-minute bursts of airflow. That's more than enough to get your fire roaring, no matter how stubborn it is. Light your campfire faster and with less frustration, this little gadget makes it effortless. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to set the notifications to all so you never miss any upcoming gadget videos. Stay safe and keep enjoying. I'll see you in the next video with some new gadgets.